Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX continues to be in this sideways range like many other coins as well. Today, a bit of a friendly day. Bitcoin pushing obviously higher. So we also see a little bit of a positive reaction to AVAX, slightly outperforming Bitcoin here today. The reaction to the golden ratio level followed. Quite slow price action, however. Market dipped into the micro support area that I also communicated in the last few updates. We have a reaction to that support area. Here, that support area is defined between $32.76 and $35.80. Looks like it gets a little bit of upside momentum now. And yeah, what do we need to see now? I mean, again, there are two wave counts. There's one bearish count and one bullish count. Well, both are overall bullish, just the white count allows for a stronger decline before a recovery occurs. And the white count is, you could say, the short-term bearish one within an overall bullish scenario. The yellow count, though, which is, let's say, directly bullish, allows for a rally from here. And the main, the main benefit of the analysis is that it tells us that it gives us the key pivots that distinguish between the white and the yellow count. So if we're in the yellow count, then the C wave to the upside within wave 3 should follow next and might already have started. Ideally, ideally the B wave doesn't even go any lower than that. Okay, it could do for one more low to $32.76, but ideally really not lower. But from here, we've already seen the reaction that we wanted to see to the support area. That's why they are on the chart. And we could now be dealing with that C wave up. Well, that is only valid, really, of course, as long as the June low is holding. Here where the price a couple of days ago reacted to that support level, 61.8 fib level. And now the C wave higher, well, the C wave could send us to $45.66. That's the 1.38 fib extension, yeah? It's the 1.38 fib extension. Why is that such a relevant level? Because it is the key target for a third wave, the first key target for a third wave. 1.38 extension, always my, let's say, first ideal target. There's no need to get there. Yeah, the absolute minimum I want to see, however, in a third wave is the 1.236 extension. But in crypto, I really prefer the 1.38 for a more viable third wave. Then we should get a wave 4 and a 5. I really need those 5 waves, and they should reach $49 plus to confirm that the wave 2 has already bottomed. I'm talking about the larger correction. This wave 2 that possibly started at the top here in March, that this wave 2 really bottomed around $30.48. Yeah, I can only confirm that if we get the 5 waves up. Until we have the 5 waves to the upside, this could simply just be a B wave. Okay, it could be a very, very annoying B wave, which, however, again, I can only confirm if the price fails the formation of 5 waves. So if we, for example, break below support, that's the benefit of these levels. For example, here, as you know, the 78.6 retracement level is the key level for a B wave pullback or the wave 2. So it shouldn't go below that. If it does, it already starts to shift probabilities towards the white count, which in this case would have formed a WXY top. WXY structures are complex corrective patterns. They are, more complex than normal ABC corrections. And if the WXY has formed the top, then the B wave would have topped, obviously, because the B wave consists of this WXY structure. It's a corrective structure, and the C wave down might have started. But as I said, it takes a break below support at least to make me believe that these coins have been extremely stubborn, extremely reluctant to come down. And I'm not saying it has to come down, right? That's why I give you the support area that we can use to look for higher prices. So the red line would be a further confirmation level that indeed we're heading to the downside there. Then probably targeting like $24 before a recovery can start. But a little bit of upside momentum today. Next micro resistance is here at $38.85. And then obviously the breakout point here, that previous high at around $41.80. Then we can check if the price can actually get to $45.66. Yeah, not much more to say, really. I mean, one more thing, maybe. Nah, not really, because it's I was thinking, is this maybe some kind of a wedge pattern? It's not really. So yeah, we focus on the Fips for now. Let's see if if the Tuesday low is holding, because if it is, then yeah, we can focus on the yellow count a little more. And important would really be to keep the direct upside momentum alive to stay above $34.50. So one more important thing to mention, maybe when this 5-wave move up is completed, then we have probabilities that would more clearly indicate that, yeah, the wave 2 bottomed on the 13th of April. Then I can call that again a wave 1, which is the first wave of the next uptrend. And then we can look for a wave 2 pullback support zone. And then from there, things should really start to move. That's my update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.